Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add reminders to a lock screen on iPhone. So as you can see, we've got our lock screen there with our reminder. So how you want to do that is you want to open up your phone and you're going to head to settings. What you then want to do is scroll down and find wallpaper. So you want to give that a click. As you can see, we've got two screens in front of us that we can edit. The left one is our lock screen and the right one is our home screen. So we want to press the left one. So you just want to give that a click, and then I'm just going to delete this widget here. Amazing. So as you can see, underneath our time, we've got the option to add a widget. So you just want to click that plus button, and then what we're going to do is scroll down and find reminders. So you're just going to scroll down, it's in alphabetical order, and underneath Reddit, we have got our reminders there. As you can see, our reminder is there to create 10 thumbnails. So we're just going to give that a click the cross button, and there you go. You can see that has now been added to your home page. So what you want to do is click done, and that is all done for you, but unfortunately I can't show whilst recording. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys, and I will catch you in the next one.